if on a simply against an interim order passed before this court, this has the effect of complete disposal.
Yes.
It will be treated as complete disposal.
Malas, what I'm saying.
What is the difficulty in this? Why are you confused?
Because that matters.
And that you can't explain to your staff.
May I submit this? Will give me leave to make an application. Because the matter is disposed of. Malas will then
file a review. File a review. What is this, Mr. What is this?
We are not parties to that, Lordship.
You're not party to that?
Mudila Mandil is not a party. We are not parties. That's the entire issue. Malas, we stated.
Mudila Mandil, who is the party?
Malas, the KSRTC, Karnataka. KSRTC.
KPTCL.
Okay, you're not party.
So I can't, Malas, subsequent Lordships have seen that notification. To get into that would be a difficult. Malas will give me leave. I'll make an application.
Where is Bundenamani's judgment?
We've enclosed it, Malas.
2023 SCC online, Supreme Court 401.
As the first annexure. They hadn't filed it with
Number
their
401.
My lords,
page 22, Malas. This is the reply. Malas, this is the reply, Malas. Page 22, R1.
My lords, our reply, which is being filed by Umar Khan, R1, it's there from page 18 to 26.
Was the Union of India party to that?
No, my lord, they were not.
How can they file a review of that?
So, my lords, if there is any clarification that they are seeking, they could always go for an.
No, they cannot file. They cannot file. They cannot file a review of that. They cannot. They are there, right? We have to, let's decide it. The interim order we have passed, that should be fair. That
the interim order they are not complying with. My lord said we rejected them on the last.
I'll explain what my learned friend's issue is. My learned friend's issue is we have lordships, based on lordships orders, we have said that they are entitled to enhanced pension. Now, what my learned friends are now claiming, which I don't think is part of the interim order at all, because the interim order deals with pension. They are saying that you also give me pensionary benefits of that accrued extra year. My lords, if that is, I don't think
that will not pay. That will not be.
My lords, just 1 minute. If I may just clarify what we said. My lords, I'll just clarify what we said. The court had said that the increment will be given. All we are saying that whatever flows from that has to be given.
How
you
can
cannot
it pay?
limit it only to pension. It says one annual increment is given.
1 minute, please. That increased pension will be given.
That creates more.
No, that will mean increased gratuity where there is less than 20. 1 minute, please. Then also increased
My lord, it's only leave encashment.
No, that will not.
Encashment.
No, that's over. That will not benefit.
My lords, but then we would be rewriting the initial judgment, my lord.
No.
That is one.
Look at
my lord.
OM which they have issued. That OM is business.
We are very clear. It cannot be because where claims are barred by limitation, they will be barred by limitation.
My lords, they were not barred by
1 minute,
limitation.
please. Pension rule is 3 years.
Please, my lord.
Pension rule is 3 years, but it will not go back to the, if you come after 3 years, it will not go back to the time of your retirement.
My lords, my lords, we keep it as 3 years. I'm happy with 3 years, my lords, because all.
But we have reduced it in fact.
My lords, that's what I'm saying. We are happy with 3 years because that's what my lords have said in the judgment of Rishibai also. That it has to be up to 3 years, my lords.
My lord, there is an order by this court restricting the area 3 years prior to the date of filing of the OM. That order is.
We have said that.
So my lords may just clarify that.
3 years prior to the date of filing of the OM.
What have we said in the interim order?
Please, my lord. I'll just read out A to D.
Can I read it out? It is stated the review petition so it is pending. To prevent any further litigation and confusion, Malas, that's 4th paragraph. By way of an interim order, we direct that the judgment dated 11/4/23 will be given effect to in the case of third parties from the date of the judgment. That is the pension.
Correct, because they never came to the court from the date of the judgment. So without coming to the court, we said give it effect.
Absolutely.
Right. So my lords,
Taking
that's
into account
what
one
haven't
increment
come.
will be payable on or after. Enhanced pension for the period prior to 1/4/23 will not be paid. For persons who have filed writ petitions succeeded, lordships are right. Given in the said will operate as res judicata. Accordingly, enhanced pension by taking one increment would have to be paid. The direction will not apply where the judgment has attained finality and cases where an appeal has been preferred or if file is entertained by the appellate court in case any retired
We
employee.
are just disposing of this
My lords,
various
2 minutes.
application in terms of this order.
My lords, 2
Doctor,
minutes.
very
My
good.
lords, just hear me for 2 minutes. My lords, as far as the D is concerned, where my lords have said in case of people who had filed their applications for intervention and they had been allowed prior to this order and along with this order, in fact, the order had said they shall be entitled to the same benefits as given to others. But my lords, in this, my lords have said from the date of the application. That would
As far as impleaders is concerned,
3 years prior to the date.
one minute. As far as impleaders is concerned, there'll be same benefit as the original applicant.
please, my lords.
There'll be not too many.
Lord, may I just comment to item 23.10?
Yes.
My lords,
23.10
before that,
is a LIC matter.
23.5. My lords,
I do not
23.5
know when they
also.
have been
if I could
pleading.
just-
No, that you calculate.
It's there, we've given our
No,
representation.
If there is an impediment application filed.
But on 23.10, Lord,
If there is an impediment application filed, then they will, impediment means they're to be treated as co-petitioners or co-respondents. In that event, they'll be entitled to the same benefit as recipients.
My application for intervention is there, Your Lordship.
Not now.
At that point.
No, at that point.
Please, my lords, may
Not
talk
now,
about that.
not now.
It can't be like.
No, not now, not now. Yes, Mr.
Lord, I'm in 23.10. 23.10 is for the LIC, where the
Yes.
Madhya Pradesh High Court, relying on a circular of the Madhya Pradesh government, has made it applicable to all LIC employees without going
How
into the
can they,
rules.
how can the Madhya Pradesh government issue a circular applicable?
No,
to
please see the order of the High Court, Lord, it's
That
page.
is wrong from Mr. Kailash Vasudev, that will be wrong. LIC is not under Madhya Pradesh.
That's right, that's what I'm appearing for the LIC saying this is wrong. You cannot apply it there. Please see
But
page 2, Lord.
we'll dispose it off on the basis of our order. No.
No, as far as LIC is concerned, we have to consider it separately because we have rules. Please turn to page 2 for a minute, Lord.
No, it will be also governed. Don't, we are giving that benefit to everybody.
No, I just wanted
Give it,
clarification.
I can just take Mr. Kailash Vasudev. One increment is being contested. Even.
No, I just want to point out two facts, Lord. Our employees are governed by rules. The approval takes place after retirement. Please turn to page 2 for a minute.
That's true of even, that was the argument which was raised here also.
But just see page 2 for a minute, Lord. Our rules have now
Taking a
been.
risk, Mr. Kailash Vasudev will be taking a risk.
Because that is our situation.
Well,
You're not
we
going to
don't-
protect our rules. That's the only thing to be protected. Our rules is. Please see page 2, Lord. Please see page 2 for a minute. I'm just making a request. I tell you.
My lords, may I mention one thing?
Please see page 2 for a moment, Lord.
My lords,
Please see page 2. It says reference may also be made to circular of 15/3/24 issued by the Madhya Pradesh government. Now, Madhya Pradesh government has got nothing to do with the LIC.
One minute, Mr. Kailash Vasudev.
Yes,
Their
sir.
rules are identically worded as.
No, they are not. May I just point out?
But no, Mr. Kailash Vasudev gave one increment. Don't deprive them.
My lords, may I
No,
just
I'm not depriving anyone. The man has retired. He cannot ask for it because it is accrual after retirement.
But doesn't make a difference, please. One day earlier, that's all. 38 don't make a difference.
My lords, may I mention 23.5?
No, 1 minute, just 1 minute. 23.10, you just segregate for the time being.
Well, may I just point out the rule to your lordship's court?
We'll come a little later. Let me first dispose of the other matters. We'll come to your
Right.
question.
I'll wait for it.
Right, in all matters except 23.1. We are inclined to dispose of the present miscellaneous application in terms of our interim order dated
Interim order dated.
6th September
6th September
2024.
2024, which reads as under. The operative portion of which reads as under.
My lords, could I just intervene for a minute before my lord repeats this order only with regard to A, my lords? As it had fallen from my lords, it should
I'll
be
add
3
that.
years.
1 minute, I'm going to add that in case of those who had moved intervention.
And my lords, for A, I'm requesting that it be 3 years prior.
No, sorry, please. No, please. No, please. No.
Precedents of your lordship.
And my lord's own judgment.
My intervention application is pending before your lordship. I've moved.
Well, now they want to dilute the order completely.
My lords,
In terms-
that's why it was kept.
Just copy one,
Order.
just copy A, B, C, D from that order. However, we wish to clarify, however, one clarification is required to stop. Retired government employees, government employees who had filed intervention applications before the High Court or before the Central Administrative Tribunal, the High Courts, the Supreme Court of India will be treated at par and like the main petitioner. That is, they will be entitled to same benefits, will be entitled to benefit of one increment for a period with retrospective effect for a period of 3 years from the date the intervention application was filed.
Provided that it's not subsequent to the order. Let's clarify that.
This will only apply to the intervention, to those persons who had filed intervention application prior to the judgment of this court in
My lords, in Siddharaja.
No.
My lordship, in this, I think
That means,
Your lordship,
post money they could have filed
1 month.
Your lordship, I've moved an application.
They have restricted. Look, the reasoning is simple. Mr. Banerjee, our reasoning is very simple. They could have gone, instead of moving an intervention application over here, they could have, after the judgment, gone to the CAT.
Only a period of 1 month.
That's all.
Your lordship, I've moved an application.
Decided on 11th April. This judgment is 19th May.
In Siddharaman, that's it. Recording the aforesaid, the miscellaneous applications are disposed of.
Your lordship, may I mention
Your lordship, may I
23.5? My lords, in that I've moved a contempt petition because they have not complied with it. We were interveners and we had been allowed to intervene.
3.5, you read this. Please take
My lords,
instructions.
I specifically said,
Please take instructions before I must.
my lords, they should file the representations. We filed fresh representations. In fact, on the last date, my lords had specifically said, if I may read out, we observe that the applicant Union of India must comply with the interim order. And in case they haven't done it, costs as well as
That's
interest.
exactly what I said. My lords, that is the view which I said. My lords, my learned friends now want that to be extended to pensionary benefits also.
My lords, I'm just asking for basic benefits. They haven't given me the
Your lordship, in this.
Any person, one more sentence, any person aggrieved by non-compliance of the directions given in this order, clarification and directions given in this order, it will be open to the said person to approach the administrative tribunal or the authorities and if required the administrative tribunal.
Your lordship, in this, I've moved an application, IA for intervention, that is 277318.
Now we have disposed.
Your lordship, no, that has no notice has not been issued.
We have disposed of in this.
My lord,
All applications
my lord, just a minute.
are also disposed of in terms of this order.
My lords, just 1 minute. My contempt petition, my lord.
That will remain pending. We have obtained it.
My lords, please,
That will contest as to now.
1 minute, please take the instructions on 23.5. That will.
much obliged, your lordship.
Okay, 23.5, 23.10 now. Give us the price.
Yes, Lord. Lordship, we please to turn to page C, my lords, of the list of dates.
23.5, you say relist to enable learned counsel appealing for the respondents to obtain instructions in the week commencing 17th of March 2025. Yes, please.
Yes, we have to turn to page C, my lords, the list of dates.
Makes no difference.
No, my lord. I'm sorry. I just will make a submission, my lord. I leave it to your lordship's court. Please turn to page C, my lord.